So in this video today, we will be going over how to register for an account on our online software so you can sign up for programs. If you go to the main city website, which is upperarlingtonohio.gov, and in these top bars, you'll see a departments and services. If you click that and then come down and hit activity registration, it will take you to our online software to sign in. In the top right-hand corner, there's a My Account Sign In/Register. If you click that, if you already have an account, you can use your login credentials there. And if not, this don't have an account, sign up now, green button at the bottom. You hit that, and it will take you to the household creation page. Now, it's important to remember that all households must prove residency before they are converted to a resident account. So when you first create your account, it will be listed as a non-resident, and you do have to either come in person to show a bill or an ID for every adult in the household, or email us at parks@uaoh.net. So you'll follow the instructions on this page, creating a login. The easiest thing for the login is probably just using your email, but you can use whatever you desire. And all of the red boxes are required fields, so you have to fill out everything that has a red box. If you would like to add other people to the household, under this additional family members box, right at the bottom of the screen, you'll see an add new family member. So if you hit that, you can then go ahead and add other people to the household. And then you hit save and you are done.